The first step is to sign up for Hostinger, and because you're following along with this video, you're getting an exclusive 10% off any plan on top of their current promo pricing. So it's the best deal available anywhere. To claim that exclusive discount, just go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. And once you're here on this page, go ahead and click on Start Now. And that's going to bring you down to the plan options. And then here you're going to see 3 plans. On the left, you have the premium plan. This is the most affordable option, so if you're just looking to build one simple website, this plan has almost everything you need. In the middle, you have the unlimited plan. And this is the one that I'd recommend for most people, because for just a little more, you get faster storage, daily backups, and the room to add as many websites as you want down the road. And on the right, you have the Cloud Startup plan. This is really built for larger, high-traffic sites, so it's a bit more than we need when we're just starting out. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the unlimited plan. So right here, I'll go ahead and click on Choose Plan. Now on this page here, the first thing that we'll do is choose our billing period. By default, this will be set to 48 months, which is a pretty long-term commitment. But you can change this to 24 months, 12-month, and 1-month plans as well. At a minimum, I'd recommend going with the 12-month option. I recommend this because you still get plenty of savings and a free domain for the first year. Scrolling down here, you can secure your domain name. In my case here, I'll type calebfrommedicsmedia.com. And as you can see here, this is going to be $0 for the first year. I'll click on this to claim it. And you can also change your billing period for your domain as well. So for example, I'll change this from 2 years to 1 year. And as it says right here, it's going to be $0 for the first year, and it's going to renew at $19.99 per year after that. Scrolling back up here, you're able to review your order on the right. And don't forget to get this 10% off discount, use the first link down in the video description. Once you're ready to move on, just go down and click Continue. Now on this page here, you'll need to register for your Hostinger account. Once you're done, go down and click on Register. Once you arrive to this page here, go ahead and fill out your billing address and your payment information, and once you're done with that, I'll meet you at the next step.